A special part of a bishop's ministry is to celebrate the sacrament of confirmation in our wonderful parishes. Sometimes at the high season of confirmation, when we're out almost every night, people will say to me, "Aren't you exhausted from all of that?" My answer is always no. Most of a bishop's work is office work, administration, meetings, committees. And so when I get out of the office and I go to a parish to celebrate with the people, I love it. Some of our parishes have the young people send wonderful letters to me before confirmation. Listen to an excerpt from this junior in high school who's a varsity athlete and an honor roll student. Here's what he said to me. "I believe that I am ready to move forward to adult membership in the community of faith. I have recently developed a feeling of belonging in the church. I've been attending religious education and church regularly and expanding my education and faith. I went to the St. Luke's Mission and helped bag food for the hungry. It was a wonderful experience and gave me a great insight on how it feels to help others, and it encouraged me to look more closely at my moral values. I will continue to attend Sunday Mass along with the Lenten and Advent series. I will volunteer my time at church, events such as chicken dinners and the annual lawn fair. I understand that confirmation is the beginning of my membership in the parish, and in the future, I plan on including my future family and children." Be encouraged. The young church is alive and well.